Number 5. Dan and Darci light up terrarium. Child discover the beauty of nature. There is a built-in innovative LED light. Terrarium jar, 4x6, light-up jar lid, micro USB charging cable. A fun and educational gift for all ages. STEM.org authenticated educational product. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. 4M Clean Water. The kit contains a plastic filter system, active carbon, sand, rock and filter paper. Perfect for young science enthusiasts. Detailed instructions for use and care are included. Recommended for ages 8 years and up. Challenge your child's imagination with 4M toys and kits. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Learn and Climb Super Cool Kit. This enormous and fascinating 56-piece educational kit is bursting. This STEM-based science kit encourages children to critically think and problem solve. Loaded with top-quality tools. Engaging DVD features a real scientist performing the experiments. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. My First Lab Duoscope. Microscope is an award-winning kids microscope for STEM education. Equipped with 50 individual accessories. Your new kid microscope comes equipped with real glass optics. Experiment guide and instruction manual included. Providing a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Elenco Snap Circuits. Photosensitive electronic organ, a lie detector, an AM radio. No soldering, no tools, it's a snap. Parts included, snap wires, a slide switch, a resistor, a microphone, and capacitors. Build over 300 experiments with 60+ parts. Designed for young engineers and makers ages 8 and over. Please check the description for details and best price.